RBI has made a strong observation saying that the Indian economy is ready to bounce back stronger and faster than what is being currently projected. In its monthly bulletin, the RBI says that the consumer confidence is improving, inflation has eased up, and the GDP is within striking distance of attaining positive territory. So a rather optimistic note there from the RBI, and this is exactly what the Reserve Bank of India says, and I quote, "Recovery no longer aloft on the fleeting tailwinds of festival spending, but is rising phoenix-like on the wings of an intrinsic momentum." Let me go across to my colleague Avni Raja to help us understand, the entire observation that is now being made officially by the Reserve Bank of India. Avni, a very nice use of vocabulary here by the RBI, but explain to us the context and the perspective, through which we should look at the statement released by the central bank.
Well, that's right. The Reserve Bank of India here painting quite an optimistic picture of where the recovery is headed. And in fact, RBI clearly saying that recovery is, looking like it's faster and stronger than has been projected until now. So let me just take you through some of the key highlights of what the RBI is saying right now. Now, it says that shifts in the macroeconomic landscape have in fact brightened the outlook. That is one of the first important points that the RBI is mentioning, saying that GDP is in striking distance of attaining positive territory. Now, we know that the first 2 quarters of this year, we have seen a significant contraction in the GDP, nearly 24% in the first quarter, and even a contraction in the second quarter. And for the entire year, the advanced GDP estimates have forecasted that the GDP is going to contract by 7.7%. But now RBI is saying by the last quarter, we are going to see the GDP entering back into the positive territory. That is really important and really good news there coming in. Also saying that India's recovery may overtake most projections. So all the projections that have been made until now, RBI says that the recovery is likely to overtake all of those projections. And another important point also RBI talking about is that India has so far succeeded in ducking the second COVID wave, and that also, just to point out another thing that the RBI said, that the shape of the recovery is going to be V-shaped, where the V stands for vaccine, and then talking about the vaccine drive that has kicked off as well. And as far as the COVID curve itself is concerned, RBI says that since September, India had bent it like Beckham while referring to the COVID infection curve at that point in time. And of course, the quote that you referred to, where RBI says recovery no longer aloft on the fleeting tailwinds of festival spending, but is rising phoenix-like on the wings of an intrinsic momentum. That's the quote by the RBI. So obviously, RBI also getting into a poetic mode at this point in time. But all in all, it's good news that we are seeing this kind of an uptick and expectations of a strong bounce back in the economy, Afrida.
All right, let's hope it all turns out to be true. Thanks for joining us, Avni. We are cutting across now very quickly to this press conference.